And here is the some few questions for your test. Skip the test. You don't need the test, okay? Now, here is the two things, experiment and observation. What you are performing the experiment, fill it into the observation table. See here, this is the experiment. Continue. And this is the observation, okay? Here is no anything is in the observation. Once you will select the rabbit, then the option will come. You are selecting the rabbit, click on the cage, the rabbit is coming out. Now you have to take it into the restrainer before the experiment, okay? The rabbit is taken into the restrainer. Okay, restrainer. Everything is self-explanatory, okay? Here one icon is there. Do you need any tricks? Because already I told you how to perform. So you don't need tricks. Click on no. Okay. Now this is the rabbit. Okay. Biologically, this is the right eye. This is the right eye. And this is the left eye. This is the. But for the experiment, this is the left eye. This is the right. Because it is on the left side, so it is the left eye. It is on the right side, so it is the right eye. But biologically, this is the right eye. But for experiment, to make it easy, this is considered as a left eye, this is considered as a right eye. Because here is the drug, here is the drugs, you will take and you will install it in the eye, okay? The right eye is always taken as a
right side.
And left eye, because you are taking the drug and put into the eye, this is a test eye.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, أبدأ.
And I told you there are many drugs, 6 or 7 or 8 drugs is there. For each drug, you have to select new rabbit. How to select the new rabbit? Here, in the cage. Okay. For each new drug, new rabbit. Because once you have given the drug into the eye is infected now. Okay, once you have given the atropine, the effect of atropine will take at least half an hour to diminish its effect. So you cannot wait for a long time. So you are taking the new rabbit. Every time you are taking new rabbit. For new rabbit, you have to take all parameters before giving the drug and after giving the drug. Okay?
If I wash it by saline.
If you are washing with normal saline, once you have done your experiment on the rabbit eye, now you are keeping it for the storage. Before keeping the animal to the storage, you have to wash it. This is the ethics. This is the ethics of the medicine or ethics of the animal use. But immediately we cannot use the same animal for the new drug, because the effect of drug, it may take time to diminish its effect for long time, 2 hours, 3 hours, half an hour. Once atropine is given to eye, your blood vision is for long time, 6 hours, 7 hours. So for each drug we are selecting new rabbit. Now here see, before performing the experiment you have to wash the eye. This is the ethics. Like we are going to the microbiology lab, we are cleaning the hands, taking the dusting powder, then we are putting the gloves. This is the ethics. Okay, this is the GLP, good laboratory practice. Now we have washed the eye, no drug is given. Now take all parameters, what is the light reflex, what is the corneal reflex, what is the pupil size and what is the intraocular pressure, and fill in the observation table. Right eye as a control, right here C, control, okay? CONTROL, control. Fill all the parameters. What is the intraocular pressure? You measure it, for example, 14.5.
14.5.
Yeah, here.
Here,
right eye.
لا بس البشر لكل دواء بعد كل دواء حسب البشر صح؟
You couldn't measure? Take it to the right eye, left eye. 15.4, okay? Now fill the observation table here, okay? It is 15.5 and it is 15.4, for example. Yeah, without drugs, okay? Okay, now light reflex, it is percent. Both eye percent, okay? What is the corneal reflex? Before the drug, it is percent, okay? Percent. Can you perform it? Yes. Corneal reflex, see here, the eye is closing.
أحمد مزيد إنك بس يدك
Once you are
اليسار.
taking the cotton to the
يدك
eye,
اليسار بس.
the
خلي
eye
خذ راحتك،
immediately
خلي بس
closes.
يدك
See
اليسار.
here. Once you are bringing, close eye, okay? Once you are taking to the eye, The eye closes, okay? Close, okay? See the corneal reflex. Positive. What is the pupil size? Measure it. Take it here above the pupil and count the unit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? 6 units. Here? Same, 6. Okay? Fill the observation table. 6. What is the pupil size before? It is the 6 unit and before 6 unit. Okay? Now select a drug. What is the first drug? One by one. Okay? Go one by one. Otherwise you will confuse. First drug is the lignocaine. Lignocaine. The drug will be given to the only test eye. Now take the drug to the eye. Just put here. Okay? Yeah. Okay. Now drug is given. The test eye is left eye, right eye is control. So control eye before and after is same. Am I right? Control eye before and after will be the same. So you can feel the table. You can feel the table. I think for control eye 15 point same. Okay, 15.5. The difference is 0. The corneal reflex will be present. Okay. Touch reflex will be present, and the pupil size will be the same. Now you have to measure only for the second one. Okay. This is the test eye. Check the light reflex. Present. Okay. The pupil size is decreasing. Okay. Decreasing. Corneal reflex. No corneal reflex. No corneal reflex. Okay. Corneal reflex because lignocaine is a local anesthetic. No corneal reflex. Now measure the pupil size. Almost same, okay? Almost same. What is the intraocular pressure? 15.4. Almost same, okay? Intraocular pressure is 15.4. Difference is 0. No effect on intraocular pressure. Light reflex is present. Corneal reflex is negative. Okay? Pupil size is almost same. The difference is 0. So what the parameter is affected by lignocaine? Only one parameter is affected by lignocaine. What is that? That is the corneal reflex. Okay. Now, one experiment finished. What was the drug here? Lignocaine. Okay. Now, go for the other drug. For another drug, you have to select new rabbit. Okay. New rabbit. The last one will be saved. Yeah, saved automatically. Okay. I will give you the printout. Okay. Now select the other rabbit. Take it here. Same experiment perform and select the drug here. Another drug. Okay.
خلاص انتهينا ما يحتاجكم.
Now you have to select the another drug. Second drug. Okay.